everyone, in today's video we're going to be having a look at naming alkenes. Now alkenes are a homologous family with the general formula CnH2n. They are unsaturated hydrocarbons and they contain a carbon-carbon double bond. Now the rules for naming alkenes are fairly similar to that of alkanes. So let's start with this example. And we've got to name this molecule here. So step 1 is to count the number of carbons in the longest chain with all the side branches and functional groups included. Now the carbon-carbon double bond here is a functional group and this is a side branch. So our chain has to include both the carbon-carbon double bond and the side branch. So quite clearly it's going to be up here, and along there. That's our longest chain. Let's count the carbons. Let's dot them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. N equals 4. And using our prefixes that we've learnt from our first video on naming alkanes, we know that N equals 4 means that this is but something. Now, alkenes end in -ene. So this is going to be but something -ene. Now we need to identify where the double bond is using the lowest numbering system, because the double bond could occur here, here, or here. So we need to let people know where the double bond occurs because we are naming them using their IUPAC rules. So if we told this name to anyone, they'd be able to construct the molecule themselves only by knowing the name. So let's have a look and pop our numbers on. We're going to start here in purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this would give us a carbon-carbon double bond in position 1 because it's between carbon 1 and 2 and we always go for the lowest numbers. And a methyl group on carbon 3. 1 add 3 is 4. If we went the other way, we would have in green 1, 2, 3, 4. We would then have a methyl group on carbon 2 and a double bond between carbon 3 and 4. So 3 add 2 gives us 5. So the green numbers aren't the way to go. They give us a bigger total than the purple numbers. So for lowest numbering system, we're sticking with purple. So the double bond is in position 1. So this is going to be but 1-ene. And the final thing that we have to do is identify and name any side branches. So here we have a molecule that does have one side branch. It's here. So this has got to be N equals 1. It's a side branch, so that means it is going to be methyl. Now we need to give this its position. Again, we're numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. We've explained why we're numbering this way and not the other way, because it gives us the lowest numbering system. So this means that the methyl group is on carbon 3. Therefore, we're going to have 3 methyl but 1-ene. And that is how we name alkenes. It's pretty much the same as naming alkanes, except we need to mention where the double bond occurs. So I hope you found this tutorial informative and helpful. If you have, give it a share, help other people out too. Thank you.